Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to Basecamp. I know that Basecamp can be a great tool for project management, but it can be a little bit confusing to figure out how to invite someone to join your team. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of inviting someone to Basecamp. Step 1. Sign in to Basecamp. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Basecamp account. Step 2. Click on the People tab. Once you're signed in, click on the People tab. Step 3. Click on the Invite People button. Next, click on the Invite People button. Step 4. Enter the person's email address. Now, enter the person's email address. Step 5. Choose a role for the person. You'll need to choose a role for the person. There are 3 different roles. Owner. Owners have full access to the project and can add and remove other users, change project settings, and invite new people. Member. Members have full access to the project, but they can't add or remove other users, change project settings, or invite new people. Guest. Guests have limited access to the project. They can only view tasks and files, and they can't add or edit anything. Step 6. Click on the Invite button. Once you've chosen a role for the person, click on the Invite button. Step 7. The person will receive an email invitation. The person will receive an email invitation to join your Basecamp project. Step 8. The person will need to accept the invitation. The person will need to accept the invitation in order to join your project. Step 9. The person will be added to your project. Once the person accepts the invitation, they will be added to your project. That's all there is to it. Inviting someone to Basecamp is easy. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're not already using Basecamp, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a great tool for project management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.